Let's take a start IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions about language. Not this language, other language, like we say Urdu, English, Punjabi, Bhasha. So, what languages or how many languages do you speak?
I usually speak Urdu at home, but I also know English as well as I know Punjabi.
All right, so to answer your question, I speak three languages.
languages.
Complete answer, okay? Like you should say, first of all, I speak Urdu at home, which is our national language, Secondly, I can speak English, which is our official language. And as I am from Punjab, I can speak Punjabi fluently as well. So to answer your question, I can speak three languages. 8-band answer. Okay? Just try to speak like that. Let's go on. When did you learn to speak English?
Since my childhood, because I have learnt in English medium school, and all the subjects are in English.
All the subjects were in English?
Were in English. So since my childhood, I have learnt English.
All right. Now see, you're just repeating the same thing. Right? Since my childhood, I've learned English. In the beginning, you said the same thing. Try to come up with a variety of words. Do you think English is a difficult language to learn?
No, nothing is difficult if you have practice more and you have the determination that you have to do this. Then you can definitely do.
Okay, you need to focus your fluency, ideas, and ideas should come fluently. Okay? Let's go on. Would you like to learn any other language in the future?
Yes, I would like to learn Arabic language, as I told you earlier in the lecture, because I want to learn more about Quran Pak. As we speak English, and I understand the English sentences and the tone of the English, so I would like to understand the Quran Pak as well. Whenever I heard any verses,
I hear any voices.
I want to understand what is said in that verses and in what tone it is said.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much indeed. So just try to come up with a variety of words and varied ideas and speak confidently. Okay. It's your turn, please. Let's take a start. Do you always smile?
Not always, but I think it's a good thing to do. It makes a good impression to others.
Okay, it makes good impressions to others. So to answer your question, I don't always smile. You know, people always smile. Say Kamala. You know Kamala? Kamali? Sai. Yeah, some people are just smiling all the time. Okay, do you like to smile?
Well, it's a good thing.
Now listen, you're saying every answer, it's a good thing. So never repeat any generic sentences like that. For example, do you like to smile? Yes, I love to
Yes.
smile because when I smile, it adds beauty to my face and I want to look beautiful. Something like that, okay? So,
And
do
it
you like to
makes-
smile? Again.
Well, when I smile, it makes a good positivity in me and make my face beautiful.
Okay. Do you think people should smile more?
Yes, people should smile more because when they smile, make best relationship with others.
This answer is very, very short. So these short answers can actually, irritate the examiner. Anyways, let's go on. When do people smile?
I think when they meet anyone for the first time, and when they take some photos, on this time they keep smiling on their faces.
Listen, you need to be familiar with these type of topics. So just go through all these topics so that you are familiar. Second, try to speak more because at the moment your answers are very short. And third, practice these topics so that you become fluent.
Inshallah.
Okay? Thank you. Thanks a lot.